Hey everyone, Sedona Dave in the Cane Lab today. And today I want to talk to you about removing and replacing the ball tips for your all-terrain cane. All cane tips will wear out eventually. Fortunately, we designed the all-terrain cane so that it receives the universal half-inch slip-on cane tip. Okay, to remove the ball tip, grab the cane shaft with one hand and the flange of the ball tip in the other, okay? And the flange is that piece that connects to the shaft, and it looks sort of like a weird funnel, all right? So with the cane in one hand and that flange in the other, give it a good firm twist and pull, okay? And it will slide right off, all right? These pieces are not glued to the shaft at the factory. They are just slid on. So it might be tough, but twist and pull, you will get the cane tip off. All right, now to replace, grab a new one, not like this. Line it up, and again with a twist and pushing motion, secure the flange onto the shaft. All right, removing and replacing the ball tip. Great. Sedona Dave, we'll see you out on the trails.